Hello guys, we are discussing chapter number 8 music, musical instruments and acoustic. So let's start our discussion for the question number 1, which states the D string of violin is 30 centimeter long and it has a natural frequency of 288 Hz. Where must a violinist place his or her finger on the string so as to produce at a B note, right? So he has to produce a B note, and we all know the relation between the frequency and the length of the string. It is inversely proportional. So I can represent this relation as F2 upon F1 is equal to L1 upon L2. So this is L1 upon L2, right? Right, so now we have to find out L2, right? So L1 is given, F1 is given and F2 is given. So let's place all of the values that we have. So F2 is 384 Hertz, F1 is 288 Hertz, right? And L1 is 30 centimeter and L2 we have to find out. So now we can do the calculation, and L2 will be equal to 30 into 288 upon 384, right? So now it will be equal to 22.5 centimeter. Right, so this is how simply you can find out the place where he has to place his finger. Now coming to the next problem, it states a piano string with a pitch of A 440 Hertz is under tension of 1.4 into 10 raised to power 2 Newton. What tension would be required to produce a high C which is at 523 Hertz? Now we want to find out the tension, which is the forces, right? So frequency F1 is given, F2 is given, and the first tension is given, that is capital F1. We have to find out capital F2. So we know the relation between the F2 and the tension. So F2 is directly proportional to under root of tension, right? So F2 upon F1 can be placed as under root F2 upon under root F1. So now we know what is F2, we know what is F1. So 523 upon 444 will be equal to under root F2 upon under root 1.4 into 10 raised to power 2 Newton, right? So now what you need to do, you just need to simplify it. So F2 will be equal to 523 upon 444 into under root 1.4 into 10 raised to power 2 square, right? So it will be 523 square upon 444 square into 1.4 into 10 raised to power 2. So when you compute it, it will be coming out to be equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 2 Newton. So now coming to the next problem, which states a vibrating tuning fork is held near the mouth of a column filled with water. So when the column is filled with water, it's closed at one end. Now the water level is lowered and the first loud sound is heard when the air column is at 9 centimeter long. Calculate the wavelength of the sound from the tuning fork. So now we know the formula for first resonance. The first resonance occurs at lambda by 4, which is given as 9 centimeters. So now from here we can calculate the lambda, which is equal to 9 into 4, which is equal to 36 centimeter. Now the second thing that we have to find out is the length of the air column for second resonance. Now because the water is lowered, there would be increase in the column, so it will be equal to 18 centimeter, and we will be having the second resonance at lambda by 2, right? So now the total length will be equal to 9 centimeter plus 18 centimeter, which is equal to 36 centimeter, 27 centimeter, right? So coming to the next problem, which states the first resonant length of the closed air column occurs when the length is 16 centimeters. So first resonance lambda by 4 occurs at 16. So what is the wavelength of the sound, which we can easily find out? So it will be equal to lambda is equal to 4 into 16, which is equal to 64 centimeter, which can be represented as 0.64 meter, right? So now the second thing is, if frequency of sound is 512 Hertz, what is the speed of sound? Right, so frequency is given and we need to find out the speed. So we know lambda we have already find out, frequency is given. Now we know the universal wave equation, V is equal to F into lambda. Now we just need to put F and lambda. So what is the frequency? 512 Hertz, and what is the wavelength? It is 0.64 meter. So when you multiply these two, you are going to get 3.3 into 10 raised to power 2 meter per second. That is the speed of sound, right? Now coming to the next question, it states an organ pipe 3.6 meter long and open at both ends produce a musical note at fundamental frequency. What is the wavelength of the note produced? What is the frequency of the pipe if the speed of sound in air is 346 meter per second? So first we will be finding out the wavelength with the help of resonant length, because the organ pipe here is open at both ends. At this case, the first resonance occur with lambda by 2. So lambda by 2 is equal to 3.6, from where I can calculate lambda is equal to 2 into 3.6 is equal to 7.2 meter. This is my wavelength. Now what is the frequency of the pipe if the speed of sound in air is 346 meter per second? Now we know speed of sound, which is 346 meter per second. Lambda we have already calculated. Now we have to calculate the frequency, right? So 346 will be equal to frequency into 7.2, right? So frequency will be equal to 346 upon 7.2, which will be equal to 48 hertz. So I hope you understood all of the questions really well. Thank you so much.